I did some seed saving yesterday. Well, I guess I did initiate that quite a while ago when we had the seed heads turn brown in the garden, but I took the seeds out of those yesterday and put them in the envelopes here. So my next step is going to be entering them into my seed tracking spreadsheet. So this helps me to not only keep track of my stock of seeds, but also in planning the garden for the year. Basically, it's my inventory list. So I can see if I need to order stuff and also how many things I have to plant. So I'll show you the spreadsheet next. Here is my seed saving stock spreadsheet. So if you see on the bottom here, I have 3 different tabs. So I got veggies, flowers, and perennials. So in here I have the first column is by what type of plant it is, and then the next tab over is the species, so that you can keep it a little bit more organized by alphabetical order, which also is reflected in my seed organization. So then I also have what was in the original package versus what I seed saved here, so that I can keep track of them separately because they'll be in 2 different envelopes anyway. So if I go here, I have some Lysianthus. Oh, it looks like I already put those in there. So I have these here, and I have 50 of them there. So I would just mark that in, and then I'll put those in my little tote. So I'm just going to go ahead and check the rest of them before I file them away. Here's how I have my seed collection stored. They're in 3 different categories, just like my spreadsheet. We have veggies, perennials, and cut flowers. I do have a couple random jars of seed that don't fit in just an envelope that we seed saved. So for seed brands that I really like, And My Gardener is a great one. They have extremely affordable seeds, but you do have to pay shipping, so it's a good one to do if you're just gonna order a bunch of seeds for your garden that year. They do usually have a lower seed count in them, which for most things like a cucumber, there's no way I'm ever going to use these before they stop germinating. So I usually save or share these with my family and friends. So and My Gardener is good for that. Like you don't need that many seeds usually. Obviously some seed saved ones, and then also Baker Creek. So they have a really good variety of different things and some really unique things that they sell. And the seed packets include shipping. So shipping is free if you buy 1 or if you buy 20. So if you're about to plant something and you realize you forgot beans, you can quick put an order in and it's going to be like $4. So that's really nice about them. I did get some swallowtail garden seeds this year. So those are, mostly I got their perennials because that's not usually a seed type that you can find easily. So that was pretty fun to find those. I got a variety of that. And then I also I'm getting quite a few of Johnny's seeds. So these ones have awesome information on the cards, and on the website they have really good information for growing. So even if you don't buy their seeds, you have access to that, and they have really good information out there to help you be as successful as possible. So definitely recommend Johnny's, but they are, more of a premium seed, and you kind of get what you pay for there with the information on the seed packet. So I think those are the main ones that I have. I do sometimes get some from the big box stores, and I will be getting my peas from Jung Garden Center. They are the ones that have the Cascadia peas, which have been my favorite so far. So I'll have to be on the lookout for those this year. And I think that covers it for my seed stock tracking and how I store my seeds. I'm glad to have this done because we're going to be starting some seeds really quick here, which is exciting because it's winter now and ready for springtime. All right, thank you for joining and take care.